Hi friends, in today's video I show you how to make this plane.
You are on the Paper Airplane University channel, and today we will make a new paper airplane. For this we need an A4 sheet of paper. We fold it neatly like this. Next, unfold and fold right here towards the center of our sheet.
Triangles.
And 2 triangles. Done. Now fold like this. Approximately so that there is 1 centimeter here. We proceed. Next, we need to fold from the center like this. But we don't smooth it out too much. We will need these lines. Folded, and now we need to fold this small part to this line. Like along this. Folded, do the same on this side. Done. Now we need to fold it like this. It should turn out something like this. And now we need to wrap down about this much to this intersection. Wrapped it. Now fold our plane in half.
The next step is to make the nose of the airplane.
For this, we fold it along this line as well. Next,
We fold our airplane.
and press right here so that we get another rhombus like this. It will look something like this, and these edges right and left we fold to the side so it looks something like this. Yes, this is an unusual design. I've never seen anything like it before, but we'll see how it flies. Next, we need to make the wings. Turn it over, do the same here. All set. Now we fold back this part. Alright, this part is ready. This is how it looks. Now we need to bend the wings upwards approximately
Also a centimeter.
Or 1.5. On one side.
And do the same on the other side.
It's ready here.
The final touch remains. Here we need to slightly lift the wingtips upwards, like this. It's very simple to do, even a beginner can handle it. The main thing is to be careful so that nothing tears, that's all. Our interesting airplane is ready today. Now we will check how it flies.